na wasa ya kan niema bi koso wo Ghana ha yemu bi na ye de ebenya sa akokoduro na ba abonte aba beka enkomere nyina ni ti efri zionfelix ada na meka ne sa zionfelix ta ye interview hunu bia aya na metwe ho amenti ase sometimes me hwe bia me say hey sa brantie we so wo Nigeria na sa wo krofofro bi so a akaban na bibia ye no some interviews be aya of or did to ne ho so ekoye sabe obonsam na abo ne pa ena wanya machines agu ne ho no wanya car enti ba bia watimi drive ekoka bi edi enti na make sa se nyina ya ni eye na yas ene Ernesto Poku asem ansana na yas ebeba public aba be didi Ernesto Poku atem ama obi aba beti bi nyina fi zionfelix interview ya nyina ya ni moba pa Christine ni kuni sofo love pastor love ansana pastor love eba beba abonte aba be kansem bi afa oba pa Christine ho ama amansan nyina ti bi aba be di papa na tem ni oba pa Christine atem ni nyina fi zionfelix.
Welcome to Poleeno Multimedia. My name is usual. I'm strong, Poleeno, and there. Obey me follow Instagram, Poleeno_com. We're a quick one. zionfelix and a funny face sister. I don't know how I'm going to say it. zionfelix a day before I reply funny face sister. And then saying anything in a copy, say zionfelix go interview. Of which say munina munim. And I say most of you munim. Okay, interview Lewen. I was said so. Now, okay, interview no cry. Lewen answer not the mine. And yes, Zion Obisa say, how do you see be a Ghana movie awards? Obisa a normal question. And I Lewen na koka say, more movie no. Yeah, they call Oscars then yes, Ghana movie awards for no. Yeah, that. And Zion and you Obisa as a question. And one thing about we say when we do interviews now. Yebisa wasem na uka one thing I go for him say nipa no okan na wanka okan ya na me try there is no news say dia ma create confusion because nipa na waka we bi na no aka what dem call quarter I have a proof in a video say nipa no waka and na matre but say nipa na nka na me try bi se na no na create confusion it's different but nipa na free na kumam na is asem na hye no so and we bi na no waka. And I'm so much go for say okay, say na she na koma so nje woka ama go for ate na say dey ye da norm so dey ato na me so mechanical create confusion. I don't think say and on nipa na ye so what you say nti say funny face sister no me very sorry. I don't know where and I say I don't know how I will see analysis and I will see come on some say na zionfelix the confusion see we anyway in them zionfelix the confusion no. May you interview. Who now Casas and baby saw interview now as a funny face a board a corada metre. So as I say, so catch him as a funny face a border. Now me train the confusion bar and funny face in Tema waka and a matre. What I say, and as zionfelix so Eddie replied, nice one, man. Young zionfelix interview number.
So the funny face and then Lewen issue has been going on. So funny face, Lewen, girlfriend is saying. Sandra, don't let it can't be. So it's been going on for a couple of time, a couple of days now. Now be I can about funny face ne Lewen. I'm on for say me na mama moko and I then comfortable. I'm like how I'm lost. I don't really understand it. I'm for true essay. As I said earlier, I don't read. Into who they call. But more group there, my group cry, WhatsApp groups, and any other group, Facebook can put any name. I don't remember the last time I even entered a Facebook group to read what is happening. The whole company meaning the cost. But WhatsApp group, they don't say WhatsApp is on your phone. So they are on your man. I have a lot of groups on my phone, so I don't enter into groups to even see what is happening. So I think I have this group on WhatsApp. No, probably And the point is na aso be man bofu dada. Era me hu me din be man shi me din o group no ko here. I say and as I fellas zionfelix I can funny face trouble no like madam hold up. My head I don't want to use that in words. And that's not the first time I'm who like a whole lot of comments will be sending me a link of a video me posting Sandra baby ni inso no dey my funny face no and be the boss I'm for dem attend then I'm so I don't care normal that's a job I do so if people are insulting me I'm from home so I know some people are insulting but then I'm from but my way I think it came at the wrong time because already somebody had made me angry and I didn't need their back and so like I had to like write in fact I wrote an answer. Unfortunately, I hope so. I won't regret later there. But I know so I won't regret because I didn't use any foul words. I explained to her and I thought, okay, then let me explain to her. So let me explain to other people who also have the same notion. I am not the cause of the funny face, Lewin, and everything happening. Please stop saying that. I am not. My name is zionfelix. In case you've forgotten, I am a blogger. Or let me say I'm a journalist in case you don't know who a blogger is. I am a journalist. Yeah, so journalist, I'm a radio and TV presenter. And then I am a showbiz or let me say entertainment journalist. Yes. I am not a sports journalist. I'm not a food journalist. Or I'm a blogger no. Let me say I am not a food blogger. I am not a fashion blogger. I am not a sports blogger. What's up?
No, I said inside the
video.
Okay.
So I am not a food blogger. I'm not a food a journey blogger. I am not a politics blogger. I am an entertainment blogger. That means everything about showbiz and lifestyle. And that's entertainment and lifestyle. That is what I deal with. So I said the about it is none of my business because I am not a politics blogger. If Chema want to me about Expender Mahama, it is none of my business because I am not a politics blogger. If Black Stars is going to play against Puerto Rico, US, it is none of my business because I'm not a sports blogger. Kotokofo player be, I'm so youngest than I don't even know his name. Because I am not a sports blogger. I don't report about unless it be a national issue. Giddy. Yes, that one day, once in a while, you have to let people know what is happening. Because I go totally off. But say BB happening in like other no. I am a showbiz blogger. So whatever is happening around our celebrities or in the showbiz world, VGMAs, anything showbiz. Sandra Kobia, Matangoma, Nasi, Yohima Messi, Geometro, Sarkodie, Shatta, Stoneboy. It is my duty to report about it. So what's wrong did I do a report about what is happening about Funny Face and Lewin? No. Did you see me take Funny Face phone, go open Instagram on his phone and write Abuafunu when did you come into the industry? Did you see me write that? Did I use my phone to write something like that on Funny Face Instagram page? Now let's go to the genesis. Maybe Obega say, "Me na me day address start here." Now let's start. How did it start? Yes, I went to Elmina Castle to do interview. Now, because Elmina Castle no, and me Obia interview. I did Bernard Edisipoku, who is the lead character of the movie Tatakwashi. On a me interview first. I did a full interview. I posted that where he talked about Kufia Jolo issue, say producers Ediomoka. Maybe who did I do next? I don't think that I'll remember how the interview was done chronologically. So maybe what I remember is I did Kufia, I did Bernard Kumusu full interview. I did Lewin full interview, of which this issue never even came up. And then they posted here. This issue is never in it. So if I wanted to create an agenda and Kasa issue, I can start with this interview here, full interview about Lewin and then the movie. I didn't have any idea of this issue. I didn't even pop up in this interview now, Lewin, the full interview that we did. If I wanted to create an agenda, and Kasa interview now, the way you full one and no component a bebemu. So I did a full interview with Lewin. We never mentioned Funny Face name. It didn't even come up. Me Matilda Sari interview, because I'm the producer of the movie. We did a full interview. And also I'm here to show that one. And there is this woman, I always forget her name. Akusa Bene. Yes. Akusa Bene. I did her a full interview. And also I'm here to show it. I did Van Vika full interview. Also full interview. I'm here to show that one. Now, after I did all these people one because I'm the main characters of the movie, and I'm so okay. Let me do another interviewer. Obia man, you know, was something you be one. Cast the doors, something you be one. And say my bad director, my bad crew. No, about doors. Plenty interviews about one movie. No. So let me do a general interview. A general interviewer. Matana means me one. Like the crew, like crew baby, a director. DOP like cast supporting characters no. I'm also about the movie, the role they play, and how everything came about. So okay, let me do that one. And no. So if you watch the interview now, Frankie Gabin, which interview company, Lewe was not even seated at where we were sitting. Amina Castro, who remarked left side, that's like is Ewo. And I so in the didn't come on. Lewe was not even part because that interview now Lewe in point. So why am I the cause of the interview? And then me no kasa me no man for kasa me Frank Fifi Gabin e kasa e kasa we me boy naba what's up
how you video okay
me ba me get ba entinam let me go into because me na interview and then he was not even supposed to be part of the thing I mean you know no outside me interview no ban or better I'm so anyway. Okay, since on interview, me show intem. And you unbeka something about the role in the movie because everybody I was talking to at that point was talking about his or her role in the movie Tete Kwashi. It was not an interview, proper interview, a very long interview. No, it was about your role in the movie Tete Kwashi. So Frank Fifi Gabin as a director talked about the movie, how it came about, everything in the movie. I talked to other people in the movie. They also talked about their role. If you watched the interview I did with Lewin talked about his role. And I'm so, Lewin, I don't remember the exact question I asked him, but it was all about movie. And also, movie way, I be call Grammys, I be call Gaffer Awards. The one now call Crampona, Bemao, you try to print it, man. And Ghana Movie Awards, basa. I didn't ask him a question about Ghana Movie Awards. It just came. And I want to buy, you know. And I feel Funny Face buy more. No, so at this point, did I tell Lewin to talk about Funny Face? So why am I the cause? At this point, did I tell Lewin to talk about Ghana Movie Awards? And then one, doesn't Lewin have the right to talk about the movie industry again? Is he not an actor? I don't get it. Is Lewin no more an actor? So if something happens in the movie industry, Ghana Movie Awards is a big deal in the movie industry. Yes, it is. So Lewin doesn't have the right to talk about Ghana Movie Awards. I saw somebody write under one of my videos on Instagram that why did I post it? I'm like, really? Why did I post it? I shouldn't have posted it. In fact, I'm editing. Now let me make us now we make us an some for the side or because now my year film. Yes, if I had edited it, we make us some for you. So I mean Obiaka some minion film. Then what is my job as a journalist? No one. Did he say it or he didn't say it? So why are you blaming me? And why should I even edit it out? Wanka. Yeah, dear audience or can't be my industry so that we correct certain things that's on who's a mistakes in the industry. So why blaming me say Lewin Akasam as a Macas as a Macasam shall Lewin no sell Lewin Cassie. Something I didn't do or no one fully say we're happy uncle you make and you are blaming me say I am the cause of Lewin and Funny Face. Hello, do you want to drink cocoa? But you two say cocoa no why? Because what you're saying to me doesn't make sense. I am not the cause of Lewin and Funny Face beef. Read my lips, my teeth. I'm the kind. I am not the cause, please. I am a journalist. Somebody has said something, and I have to report it as a test. That is what journalists do. In fact, I got to a and it's a job for any day. I said, "No, be cut near car must be. Or can say you go to cinema say you to say now le when you can say Muslim na me course here of which I one tell film no le when I can asem funny face I posted there of which I didn't take his phone to go and write those things. Now I am reporting as I reply to Lewin Swa Musibwe. Internet is a make my bay. Is it my job as a journalist is as a showbiz blogger is to report about celebrities. When did you see me go post a certain ketia I could do with them? Because it is not my job. I'm not a political blogger. I am a showbiz blogger.
Okay, that's all about the video today. You know, and see, someone subscribe to the channel now. Do what to subscribe. You want your papa be breedy mouth. Now make I also show we stand up herbal supplements and I say stand up herbal supplements. So a bema be a here be because you near you didn't chemical so and see or a bema na say open so boy juma no from number no screen so a jank be na and a drone and there one say over 40 plus you were dear and 18 to 40 so you're more dear. So I just say nti untimi ngofred over 70 and I say 50 untimi ngofa 18 there no and now 18 so untimi ngofa 40 plus and nti one of the wonderful thing a drone omoye wo ho aha and the show ni besi bye bye cut maybe okay now guys